Welcome to Nutric Food Show 8th Ramadan Diet Plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more video updates. Take a high protein diet. Take soupy things every day. Wake up for Sehri on time. Use following meal items for Sehri: 1 cup coconut blackberry chia pudding, 4 tablespoon custard, 2 tablespoon honey, egg pizza made of 3 eggs with garlic sauce.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Consume following meal items for Iftar: 1 date, 3 apple slices, 1 glass fresh pineapple juice, half cup green pasta.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for dinner: 2 pieces grilled chicken or lean steaks, 1 cup brown rice, 1 cup tea. No exercise for 8th day. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.